All right, when I did this, I got that PBY equals 0.945 and PBX equals 4.09. Okay. We've done a lot of the legwork, so now let's go back to what we have here, right? We said that we need PXA plus PXB to be PX prime A plus PX prime B. So PXA, we just found to be 6. PXB was 0. Sorry, you're not seeing what I'm writing, are you? 6 plus 0. PX prime A, we don't know, but PX prime B, we know is 4.09, so we don't know this one, but we know, sorry, plus 4.09. So a little bit of algebra gives us that PX prime A equals 1.91. We're going to do the same thing for, I'm going to circle this. This isn't an answer, but I'm going to circle it because we're going to need it in a second. We're going to have to do the same thing in the y direction. Now at the beginning, we said that PAY is 0. PBY was 0. PYA prime we still don't know. PYB prime we said was 0.945. All right. So PYA prime then equals negative 0.945. What do we do next? Well, recall that we now have an x and y component. So if you look up here, right, we already knew that this object was going to go sort of in the southeast direction. And that should match, if we call this, PA prime, that should match what we just found here, right? So we just found the x and y components of this new momentum. Is what we just found. And we know how to deal with that. We want to find a magnitude and a direction. So magnitude, we can just be doing Pythagorean theorem here. So 1.91 squared plus 0.945 squared. I get that PA prime equals 4.54. And again, that unit is kilogram meter per second. And then the next thing we need is we need a direction. So if I just do SOHCAHTOA again, we know we got tangent of theta equaling to the opposite over the adjacent. So if I take the inverse tangent of negative 0.945 divided by 1.91, we get that our angle is at negative 26.3 degrees. So that's my final momentum of the A ball. I don't think that I guess I never wrote what I was looking for at the top, but usually we don't want the momentum, we want to find the final velocity. So if this is the final momentum, we go back to P equals mv, and we can say that the velocity is momentum divided by mass. The mass of A we said was 0.5 kilograms. So we get a velocity of 9.08 meters per second. And again, it's still at that same angle. So you should have enough here to try the practice problem that's posted on Schoology. If you don't get it right, try it again. If you have questions, please feel free to contact me.